forest awakens to the sound of whimsical guitar music and the cheerful chirping of birds. Campfire Kingdom, a magical camping adventure, appears, hinting at the wonders within. The narrator begins, "Once upon a trail, beyond the trees and tangled roots, lived a secret kingdom where campfires talked, raccoons danced, and magic whispered through the leaves." Summer begins, and Maya, full of anticipation, carefully fills her backpack with essentials. Leo, ever prepared, secures marshmallows to his belt, ready for any adventure. They are for emergency snacking. Dad bursts through the garage door, his face beaming with excitement. Sunlight floods the room as Dad asks, "Ready for the Whispering Woods?" Leo, puzzled, questions, "The what woods?" Mom gently clarifies, "The forest where the trees tell stories, if you listen closely enough." Maya, eyes wide with curiosity, asks, "Are they spooky stories?" Dad reassures her, "No, they're magical." The family embarks on their adventure, the sun reflecting off the camper as they journey down the open road. Their voices blend in joyful harmony, filling the air with song. The family sings, "We're gonna camp all day." Leo chimes in with playful glee, "Bugs in my shoe, s'mores in my belly, raccoons do the jelly jelly." The family arrives at Pinecone Peak, a hidden clearing where the air smells of pine and cinnamon. Everything glitters slightly, as if touched by magic. They struggle to pitch the tent, poles slipping and fabric flapping. Leo chases a frog, his laughter echoing through the trees. The frog leaps into Dad's coffee, causing a splash. Maya grabs a leaf to use as a napkin. The leaf turns out to be a beetle's cape. The family gathers around the campfire, the flames painting their faces with flickering shadows. Maya roasts a marshmallow, its golden surface glistening in the firelight. Disaster strikes as the marshmallow plops off the stick and into Maya's boot. A rustling sound from the nearby bushes shatters the peaceful moment. Maya kneels by a mossy log, her fingers exploring the damp earth. Beneath the log, Maya discovers a piece of golden paper. A map, Maya wonders, examining the aged parchment. The map reveals trails named Crackle Creek, the Giggle Grove, and Boulder Bounce Hill. At the map's center lies Campfire Kingdom entry for the chosen only. Fireflies ignite the night, forming a luminous arrow that guides through the dense trees. A pine cone explodes, scattering embers as a scroll unfurls, glowing with ethereal ink. A voice echoes from beyond, "Follow the flicker, the forest awaits." A mother's voice breaks the enchantment. "I definitely didn't pack that." In the heart of the Whispering Woods, Maya and Leo move stealthily, their eyes wide with wonder. The gentle glow of fireflies guides their path, unveiling the forest's hidden marvels. A gnarled tree stump takes the form of a howling wolf, its silent cry echoing through the woods. Bioluminescent mushrooms hum a soft melody, their ethereal glow illuminating the forest floor. Under the giant mushroom umbrella, a raccoon throws shapes, its playful dance a celebration of the night. Under the moon's gentle glow, the forest gives way to a meadow where the wild comes alive. A floating campfire casts an ethereal light, drawing forest creatures into a circle of warmth and rhythm. A fox, crowned with moss, presides over the gathering, its eyes gleaming with ancient knowledge. Beside the fox, a raccoon sports glow-stick glasses, adding a touch of revelry to the mystical scene. An owl cloaked in wisdom and waffles watches over the enchanted gathering. The fire dances to the music as the forest animals sit around the campfire. Under the silent gaze of the moon, the meadow whispers secrets as the grass dances softly in the night breeze. From the shadows, Owl emerges, its voice echoing with ancient wisdom. Welcome, Maya and Leo. You have been chosen. Maya, her eyes wide with curiosity, seeks answers in the starlit night. Chosen for what? Fox steps forward, revealing the grand design. To complete the 3 quests of Campfire Kingdom and unlock the Golden Lantern of Wonder. Only then shall you become royal campers. Leo's imagination ignites with the promise of adventure. Do we get forest powers? Raccoon grins, offering a treasure beyond measure. Even better, you get epic forest memories. Maya and Leo arrive at the Giggle Grove, a forest of tall, twisty trees. The trees giggle when touched. At the center of the grove sits Grumble the bear, who hasn't laughed in 7 hibernations. The owl watches with knowing eyes. Leo, with a determined glint, begins a spirited chicken salsa. Maya follows, delivering a joke about a banana slipping on a squirrel. Leo stumbles, sending a marshmallow flying through the air. The marshmallow strikes Grumble squarely on the nose. Maya unleashes a sneeze of earth-shattering force. Grumble bursts into laughter, snorts, then roars with laughter. Tears stream down Grumble's furry face. Sunlight filters through the canopy of the Giggle Grove, painting the forest floor with light. The air buzzes with the chorus of unseen creatures, their sounds filling the grove. From an unknown source, a voice echoes, Challenge 1 complete. Maya and Leo begin their ascent up the hill, each step a playful leap into the sky. The summit beckons, promising a view as breathtaking as the journey itself. The hill transforms into a playground as Maya and Leo bounce between the massive stones. With each bound, they defy gravity, soaring briefly before landing on the next stone. The landscape blurs as they navigate the chaotic terrain, their laughter echoing in the open air. Each step is a test of balance and courage. As they continue their climb, the hill seems to come alive beneath their feet, each boulder reacting to their touch. They ascend higher, the world stretching out beneath them with each bounce. The air grows thinner, the challenge greater, but their determination remains unwavering. With every leap, they embrace the thrill of the climb, their spirits soaring as high as their bodies. The wind whispers through the craggy rocks of Boulder Bounce Hill. Maya teeters precariously, her boots struggling for purchase on the loose gravel. Leo extends a hand, his grip firm and reassuring. Leo slips and Maya catches him. At the summit, they plant the marshmallow staff, a gift from the raccoon. The earth emits a soft, ethereal glow. A powerful gust of wind sweeps the hilltop. A vibrant cloud of confetti made of leaves fills the air. At the summit of Boulder Bounce Hill, I stand breathing hard, a victor against the elements. The wind howls, carrying the scent of pine and distant cheers, a symphony of triumph. I shout into the wind, Challenge 2 complete. The air crackles with anticipation at Crackle Creek, as the challenge to ignite the fire of friendship looms. The creek babbles nearby, a constant murmuring witness to the impending trial. Maya and Leo collaborate, their movements synchronized as they craft a miniature stage from floating leaves. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled shadows on their determined faces. Maya pauses, her brow furrowed with curiosity. How? Fox responds with a gentle smile. Through kindness, laughter, and stories, Maya and Leo begin to narrate the whimsical tale of Ralph the Raindrop who wanted to be a pancake. Their voices blend, weaving a narrative tapestry that captivates the surrounding forest. Laughter echoes through the forest as the friends share a moment of joy. A gentle glow begins to emanate from Crackle Creek. The fire of friendship ignites, casting a warm and radiant light. The forest sparkles, transformed by the magical light. Silence blankets Crackle Creek, the stillness amplifying the soft lapping of water against the bank. The air vibrates with anticipation as the narrator declares, Challenge 3 complete. The moonlit meadow awakens with music, its melody weaving through the trees. A chorus of joyous animal voices rises, filling the night with cheer. Above the crackling campfire, the sky dramatically splits open. A breathtaking vista is revealed, a spectacle beyond imagination. Under the moonlit sky, the golden lantern of wonder descends, radiating soft light and swirling stars. It circles Maya and Leo, casting a magical glow upon them. The lantern explodes into a shower of tiny sparks. Glowing pinecone pendants materialize on Maya and Leo's shoulders. Moonlight casts a silvery glow over the tranquil meadow, where fireflies blink softly. An ancient owl speaks with profound wisdom. These pendants hold the magic of stories and light. Use them to share kindness, courage, and curiosity with the world. Leo, ever the pragmatist, asks, Can it make pizza too? Raccoon responds playfully, Not yet, but it can glow when someone tells a great campfire tale. Inside the tent, Maya and Leo stir from sleep as as morning light filters through the canvas. Leo slowly opens his eyes, the soft glow of dawn painting his face. Maya awakens abruptly, eyes wide with lingering wonder. The pinecone pendants emit a soft ethereal glow, illuminating the tent. Was it a dream? Maya asks, her voice barely a whisper. Nearby, Elio's backpack lies still, holding secrets of the night. A crumbly marshmallow stick and a folded note peek out from the backpack. The note whispers, "Magic is real, especially when shared." Under a canopy of twinkling string lights, Maya and Leo ignite the backyard campfire club. Neighborhood kids gather, their faces alight with anticipation. Stories unfold under the night sky, weaving tales of adventure and mystery. The aroma of roasting snacks fills the air, mingling with laughter and camaraderie. With wide-eyed wonder, they embark on a quest to find glowing bugs, their lanterns casting dancing shadows. Under the cloak of night, the backyard comes alive with the soft, inviting glow of pinecone pendants, their light dancing with every shared story and laugh. Sunlight filters through the canopy, painting the forest floor with light as the air fills with the scent of pine. The narrator concludes the tale of Maya, Leo, and the forest. And that's the story of Maya, Leo, and the magical forest that whispered them into greatness. The narrator encourages viewers, if you love nature, family fun, and magical creatures, tap that like button, subscribe for more storybook adventures, and tell us in the comments, what would you do if you found a glowing map at a campsite? The narrator leaves the audience with a final thought. And remember, the next great story could start with your next marshmallow.